Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. We started the month of October and we started with the bang. Day 1 was profit in equity and we're continuing the same trend in the month of October. So today again we are showing the live trading video. Unfortunately I was not able to record all the videos, but today I got some time and I'm recording the video and showing the live trading session so that all those who are trading, all those who are taking the same call can also place exactly how I am placing, and also those who have learned the strategy, it will be a very good booster, it will be a very good hand holding for them. Okay, so before going forward, people who are watching the channel for the first time, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend. You'll be getting lots of videos on commodities as well as equities available in Hindi as well as English. So don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the bell button for getting all the latest notifications. Yeah, so let us see today's live trading video. And today the stock sector was Infratel, and Infratel was in a very negative mode, and today also the market opened in a very negative note, so we are also continuing the same note. So Infratel, friends, this is a WhatsApp group which I am using to give calls, give open trades to everyone, those who are interested to take calls from me. So as soon as I trade, I also place this signal. In fact, I first place a signal and then place my trade. You can see me placing trade. It's an OCO order or a bracket order available in Upstock as well as Zerodha. If you want to join Upstock or Zerodha, you can use the link which I provided in the video description of the video. Yeah. So friends, you can see that within 1 or 2 minutes the trade is placed. This is the 2-minute strategy, 2-minute technique used by all the working professionals. You can see that the order is trigger pending, and once it is trigger pending, there is nothing which we have to do. You don't even have to look into the screen. End of the day at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, after you return from your office, you can just look into the screen and then you can understand the loss or the profit which you have made. Okay, but today let me just show you. Yeah, you can see that initial 260 was triggered, 660, and then a target of 259.80 was hit, and a stop loss is cancelled. Yes, so that is it. The portfolio, you can see this is crude oil. Okay, this is Infratel. You can see 1360 profit. Crude is still running. Infratel, we are in profit. This is the stock which we had profit for today. Okay friends, so that's it. Very simple. You just have to place your trade and then close. Nothing else to be done. And friends, any other doubts, any queries, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. If you want to avail the service also, you can take the service. Okay friends, thank you and have a nice day.